Today, I am sharing the number one rule on how to write your book like a lawyer. There are 6 rules that I will be sharing with you today. I am focusing this series of how to write a book like a lawyer on writing fiction books specifically. To see the video about my 10,000 word book in 5 days, check it out in the description or in the link that will be provided here. Rule number 1 on how to write like a lawyer. You need to gather facts. The Oxford Dictionary defines facts as a thing that is known or proven to be known. In the practice of law, a lawyer has to gather facts to prove their client's case. Did the client steal from the shop? Did the client intend to leave their estate to their estranged son? Did the client test the product before releasing it into the market, thereby causing harm to the public due to a defective product? As a lawyer, you ask these questions and you start to gather facts to find out the answers. The same applies to writing. Your first step when you have decided to write a book is to gather facts about the book you want to write. Let's expound on that. Since the dictionary defines facts as a thing to be known or something to prove, it means that fact gathering for writing a book is you searching for the things that need to be proven in that book that would make your audience believe your story. That is exactly what a lawyer does with a case. And that is exactly what a writer needs to do with their book. You must make your story believable for your audience, even though it is fiction. When fact gathering, what is the first thing that you are to do? Beautiful writers, let's think like a lawyer here in order to write our first book or next book. Number 1, come up with a book idea, of course. Do you want to write about an immigrant who is trying to survive in a new country? Or will the book be about a teenager who is struggling to fit in at school? Or maybe you want to write about a car salesman who has been accused of grand theft auto. Whatever your book idea is, it will more likely than not determine the genre that your book will be written in. Genre simply means a specific type of writing, or film, or music. In writing, there are different genres, such as young adult, mystery, thriller, science fiction, and so on. Therefore, for example, if you have decided that your book will be about a teenager trying to fit into school, your genre would very possibly or could very possibly be a young adult book or genre. Think of this for a bit. What is your next book idea going to be? What genre will it fall into? In the next video, we will continue talking about this fact gathering rule that applies to lawyers and applies to writers. Till then, beautiful writers, bye.